Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a jacuzzi hot tub spa and you're getting an Sn1 or an Sn2 error, or you're getting the 4 dashes watchdog error, or you're getting any alarm that says that it is overheating or there's an icing risk, but you know that it's not overheating or icing. These are all most likely caused by a faulty temperature sensor, and you will just need to replace the sensor. So the Sn1 and Sn2 are actually telling you that there's a sensor error, and the other ones, the icing and the heating ones, are basically telling you there's icing and it's heating erroneously because there is a problem with the sensor. Now the sensor is cheap and easy to replace. All you need to do is get the sensor. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link. They look like this. You can get them for less than 20 bucks on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can order it. And I'll also put a link in the description to a longer video that just gives you the instructions on how to change it. It's very easy for just a regular user to change. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.